Hi, this is Caroline from WDBNK, and the recipe today will be an Indian naan bread. Take 500 grams of flour, a double pinch of salt, coconut yogurt. I add the yeast mixture to it. Let it rest for about 30 minutes. So the naan bread rested now for half an hour. What we need now is some oil. Flatten the dough. And add the spices that you would like. We have nigella. So the second one will be a garlic naan. The third one will be with chili. We chop some fresh herbs. Here we have peppermint, and this is something very special. It's a grass that tastes like cilantro. Of course, if you have cilantro, you can take these, but I don't have cilantro in my garden, so I will use this.